Now you can see the report of my laptop battery, and if the fully charged capacity is 50% less than the design capacity, then your battery has a serious issue and have a heavy degradation. If you experience Windows 11 update draining your laptop battery, then there is a serious issue which you need to address as soon as possible and fix it fast. Many of the users reported that after the Windows 11 update, they have experienced that their laptop battery is draining too fast. This can be due to many reasons, starting with the basic settings, going up to the advanced settings like firmware, tweaks, and battery reports. So let's start with the basic fix, that checking Windows 11 power mode and screen settings. So for that, just go and check the power mode first. Just click on the start and then go to the settings, and from here go to power and battery. Just search for power and battery. Just look for this power mode, and from here you will be able to see two options, that is plugged in and on battery. When plugged in, you can set it to the best performance, and on battery, just change it to balanced or best power efficiency. Now from here, just go to systems, and from here just go to display, and here you have to check the screen brightness. Usually you have to set in between 20 and 40, a maximum up to 50. Now after setting this, you can turn off settings. And now you have to go to control panel. For that, just click on start. From here, just search for control panel. You will get it here. And now from here, just look for power options. Here you will get it here. Just open it. Now change the power plan to the balanced. Now from here, just go to change when the computer sleeps. After a few minutes when idle, change it to 3 minutes at the maximum on battery, and while plugged in you can set it as you like. Then after that, click on save changes and you can close down this window. Now the next step you can do is to turn on battery saver or energy saver option in the settings. For that, Windows 11 includes a built-in mode that cut down background activity and dims the screen when you are on battery. So for that, just go to the start, from there to the settings, and from here just go to system and power and battery. You will be able to see the option power and battery. Now here in the energy saver, just enable it to turn on at 30% or less. It will be advised you to set it between 20 and 30, and you have to turn on lower screen brightness when using energy saver. So that will do the job, will reduce the power consumption. And the third way is to stop unnecessary apps and services from running all the time, because a big share of sudden battery drain after an update comes from apps that never sleep. So for that, you have to go to the settings and then to apps, and from here just go to startup. Now from here go to startup. From here you have to disable everything truly need at the boot. So you can disable it straight away from here. And after doing that, just go back to the apps, and from here just open installed apps. Now just look for certain apps that run in the background. For example, the sound recorder. If you click on the 3 button, you will have the option that is advanced option. If you click on the advanced option, you will see an option that background app permission. This will let, if you turn this on, this will let the app run in the background, which will consume a lot of power. Just change it to never. So you have to do that for individually all the apps which you find not required. Now the next change you have to apply is lower the display refresh rate and use dark mode if it is OLED. This particular laptop is OLED, so I'll show you how you can do that. If your laptop has a high refresh rate panel, just maybe driving it at 120 Hz or higher, that looks smooth but cost power. So in that case, just go and open the settings again, Now from here, go to System and then to Display. Here you will find an option Advanced Display. Just expand it. Based on your display system, it can go maximum up to 120 Hz. So if you do not require that, then you have to change it to 60 Hz. And also in OLED laptops, dark themes can help as well because black pixels draw little or no power. For that, just go to the personalization. I have already set it to dark mode, but I'll still show you. Just go to the personalization. And from here, go to colors and choose the mode. I have already set it to dark. You can set it to dark. Now the next fix is related to the sensors. You have to turn off power-hungry sensors when you do not need them. For example, wireless radios and location services are convenient but do consume battery over time. So if you don't require that, then just go to the start from here, settings again, and then go to privacy and security. Then go to location on the right pane and just turn off location services. In the same way, in critical situations, you can turn off the Bluetooth as well as Wi-Fi to save the battery power. Now the next thing you have to do is to reinstall or reset battery drivers. Sometimes the Windows 11 upgrade confuses a software layer that talks to your battery, which will drain the battery. So refreshing drivers is a quick and safe method to overcome that. For that, just right click on the start and then click on Device Manager. Now from here, expand the battery section. Now for each entry, right click on it, for example Microsoft AC adapter, and just click on update driver. And you have to search for the latest driver and make sure that you have the best driver installed. Once that is done, just right click on it and then select disable device and then enable it. This will refresh the driver. Now the next solution is to update chipset, graphics and BIOS firmware. After a major Windows 11 release, old chipset or graphics drivers often behave badly with new power management logic. So in that case, you have to go and update your BIOS or UEFI updates that you will be able to download and update from the vendor sites. So I will list here what you have to do. The first thing is to go to your laptop manufacturer support page. If it is Dell, HP, Lenovo or Asus, based on your product, then install the latest chipset and graphic driver for that exact model. Then check for BIOS and UEFI update and apply it if offered. And the next thing you have to do fix is to check firmware battery health limit in BIOS and UEFI. Many modern laptops include battery health feature that intentionally limit charge to around 80% to reduce wear and tear. After a Windows update or firmware reset, these features can switch mode and make it look like your fully charged capacity has dropped overnight. If these signs are happening in your laptop, then you should really consider to check the battery health. So based on some vendors, I'll show you a list here, a table here to make a better understanding of it. Now the last thing you can do is to generate a Windows battery report and check for real degradation. At this point, if the battery life is still poor, you need to know whether the battery itself has worn out. For that, you can do one thing is just open the command prompt. Just go to start, then type in cmd and then run it as an administrator. Now from here, use the command power cfg space battery report. Now it says that the battery life report saved to file path that is on system32. You can see it here, just open it in browser. Now you can see the report of my laptop battery, and if the fully charged capacity is 50% less than the design capacity, it shows that your battery has a serious issue and have a heavy degradation. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.